Hey everybody, Baron, Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. There's Charlie and Maritza hanging out at the cantina, and look at this beautiful day in Fiji. Check this out. All these boats are here waiting for you. Your super yacht can be just out there as well. I'm standing right above our offices here in Port General Marina, and nice quiet afternoon. Walk with me. I'm going to show you. We have one office space here available, and we have another one I'm going to show you just down the way. And we have commercial spaces available. Look at these flame tree orange flowers. I just want to show you this. These are just so beautiful. Look at that. Take that in. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? These things grow wild all over Fiji, although they're not indigenous to the country here. But anyway, so you're going to see we are actually in Port General Marina, and they say up to 40, 60, almost 80% of the tourists come here. So once the COVID's over, borders are back open, this is full on. So this is where you're going to want to be if you're looking to set up a business in Fiji. If you're new to the country or you're looking to expand from, let's say, Suva or Lautoka or Ba, we have spaces available. Our second real estate office is just there. More restaurants down the way. There's Westpac Bank, Nandina Restaurant, Indigo Restaurant, Amalfi Restaurant, Mama's Pizzas here, ice cream shop, and you have Chicken Express, our staff's favorite, Bread Kitchen, great nice fresh pastries there, and of course world famous Cardo's on the other side of the cantina there. So a lot of activities that happen just here in front of Bilo Bar. A lot of fire dancing, a lot of great tourist activities, and of course you have your Jack's, Cloudbreak, Harrison's, all these retailers here selling amazing local crafts and goods and services. So walk with me and you're going to see the car park straight ahead of us. Across there is we have the Palms apartments, and then just next to that is the Terraces and Fairway Palms precinct. Here's the office that we have available, and if you want to find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more. Great flex space here, so you have sort of a kitchen area in the back here. So you have, full functioning fridge and all that for employees. And this can be reconfigured to your liking. And I'm going to come over here, so if you want to pause the video, you can actually see the drawing. That is what it looks like. So you could pause here, take a snapshot of that with your phone, or just call us and we'll get all these over to you as well. So you have a nice conference room, and then you have a private office here with 2 entrances. And what you can do is this office can be closed off, and you see the nice views here, so you can see as your guests are coming, prepare for all those big meetings. And then behind us there is another big storage room that you can actually convert, put a door on the outside, and then this now becomes either a separate space that you can sublease, or as they're using here, they can use this then as one of the executive offices with the direct access to the boardroom, which you can see they're finishing that right now. So learn more about this and all of our commercial space that we have available. We're not just doing residential, but we do have commercial space. We are also have buildings. We have resort hotels and private islands if you're into that as well. And so give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. You know the number by now. It's right there. And while we're at it, I'm going to show you a second space that also could be added to that space. Here's another smaller space, used to be a doctor's office, and this now is just coming available as well. So depending on your needs, we're going to be able to find you what you want. And just here in front of us is where this is the passenger terminal, where all the boats, fishing charters, sunset cruises, inter-island boat transfers, everything happens from this building straight ahead of us. And you have Victoria Wine Shop just here, and a lot of the marine and boat services just there on the marina. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. We've got a lot of great opportunities for you, your family, and your business right here in Fiji. We look forward to seeing you soon. It's close to sunset time. We'll see you soon. Vinaka.